What's up, everyone? My name is Brittany, and it's so good to finally talk to y'all again. Today, I wanted to talk to you guys about the modern day warfare that we got going on between men and women. Men not understanding women, and women not understanding men in this generation. I feel like there's been a disconnect for a very long time, but now it's just kind of coming to a head where everything's just out of order, everything's just out of whack. I just now broke this equation down yesterday, so I'm gonna be applying this in my life. I hope that you apply it in yours and tell me how it went. I frankly am tired of misunderstanding the male species, if that's what you want to call them, because after doing a lot of research, man and woman are meant to create a yin and yang. Just like the law of the polarity states that everything has an opposite, everything has an opposite, everything has a resistance and a downstream. Like, you gotta be in tune with it, because if you don't, then you will be lost in this matrix of relationship issues that the government and all these different conditionings have put on you, if that makes sense. So you think that as a woman, you got to stay in the house, you got to cook, you got to clean, or you got to do this for a man to love you, you got to do that for a man to love you, and you're never truly happy within yourself. But source states that you have to love yourself and the God within you before you're going to be able to love anybody. And this is true, because when I started to find unconditional love for myself, like right now, I'm able to want to understand men and give them unconditional love. And this is coming from somebody who just was a feminist. Like, I'm feminist this, feminist that. Like, I still believe in feminism, because I believe that the woman is downplayed a lot in society. And I support equal rights for women in general. That'll never change until I get there, until we get there. But I don't want to misunderstand men in the process of feminism. So what I came up with is that, like I said, the law of the polarity states there's an opposite to everything. So in knowing that you are opposite of this person that you are dealing with, yeah, you guys might have the same characteristics, traits, etc. But like, at the end of the day, you're a woman and he is a man, feminine and masculine energy coming together in the same type of yin and yang situation. You know what I'm saying? Like, black and white. And you got to learn how to merge those together effectively based on the person that you're with. So it's very important that you know who you're with and you know who you're dealing with, and that will kind of give you more understanding for your situation. Anyways, moving forward, I do think that there is a power struggle between men and women, and it's that a lot of men will say things like, a woman gotta bow down to me, this the man's household, this, that, and third. And then a woman's like, you got independent women like me per se, it's like, I'm not bowing down to nobody, you feel me? Like, because that don't even resonate with me, because I'm a strong woman. And who the fuck in the history of time said woman should not be strong? Yes, the Bible says a woman should bow down, but the Bible says a lot of shit that's not true. So we're not gonna do that, all right? We're not. I'm not saying that as a woman I won't bow to my husband, but don't you feel like a husband should bow to his wife as well? And it should be an equal exchange of understanding and commitment and love and loyalty and all these things. It shouldn't just be the man standing up high and the woman bowing down, because like, how is that a yin and yang situation? Essentially, that's just a yin or that's just a yang. That's not both of them working together. So one ends up feeling powerless, or one ends up feeling neglected, or like they don't get to make decisions in the relationship, or nothing that they say matters, because you're not combining the efforts together to understand and make the situation the best situation it can be for you. Before you come into a relationship anyways, you should be in alignment with yourself and be at ease with the fact that you are in alignment, and nothing outside of you can break your alignment. Not even if this person that you like so much walks away from you, or this person did this or this and I really like that, so now you're committed to doing this with me for life. Like, no, because essentially women don't want to feel insecure, they don't want to feel not beautiful, they don't want to feel all these things due to social conditioning. And men don't want to feel weak, they don't want to feel like they are not free, they don't want to feel like they can't do what they want to do. And we are set up in this equation in society to live this way. An insecure woman only triggers a man to want to be set free. And a free man only triggers an insecure woman to be insecure. Okay? I'm telling you, shit just be coming. It should be coming. It be coming. It be coming. This information is here. Like, we got to do better, y'all. What I'm saying is that if a man doesn't do anything to trigger a woman's insecurity, then a woman won't do anything to trigger a man's want to be free, the need to be free, to cheat, to do all these things. You know what I mean? Because I'm in alignment with myself and you're in alignment with yourself. So therefore, we don't have to be at odds. Therefore, we both know we're free to do whatever we want to do. And it's still going to be okay. So basically what I'm saying is just be in complete alignment with yourself so that you are not dependent on a person, so you don't put too much pressure, too much responsibility of your feelings on that person. If you don't do this for me, I'm not going to be happy. If you don't do this for me, I'm not going to love, I'm going to be so sad. Like, stop putting that on another person to do for you. You're putting another person in control of the safest place you got within you, which is your mind, your emotions. That is sacred. That's the only thing you have control of. Why are you giving that responsibility to someone else? If they do that, I'm going to be mad. Like, stop. Stop. You are in control of your own emotions, your own reactions, as am I. I'm learning too. I'm not perfect. I don't live by this every day. This shit is hard, all right? It's hard. I'm just trying to give y'all what I'm, you know what I'm saying? I'm writing down and I'm learning, you know what I'm saying? Because I learned my lessons. Like, once I became in tune with the universe, all this stuff just started coming to me. And it's coming at an abundance. Like, I'm only just thinking a question that I have and the answer is just coming straight to me. But that's because I'm in alignment with the universe and I'm in alignment with myself. So that's why this need to want to unconditionally love everybody and understand everybody is coming from. Because now I unconditionally love me and I understand me. Will it still be a challenge for me to combat my social conditionings and my subconscious domestication? Yes, I'm working on it, but you can too. Is what I'm saying. I'm in a good place. Like, nothing's touching me right now. I'm good. Shit, you should want to be good too. Don't get on this mud. Oh, you ain't perfect. You don't got no listen. Period. So the biggest thing here I want you to understand is that being in alignment with yourself is so important, because when you are in alignment with yourself, you do not rely on anybody to make you happy or to provide you with happiness. You make yourself happy. You provide yourself with happiness. So all the issues of man and woman can cease to exist because your happiness doesn't come from the other sex. If you are with a man or you are with a woman, they only enhance or increase, or I was about to say de-enhance, bitch, don't play with me. They can only enhance or increase or decrease your level of alignment or your alignment. That's all they can do. It's your choice on what you allow them to do. If you know that you're de-elevating when you're with this person, you need to walk away. Period. You know what it is. You know if something's worth it, you know if something's not. You know, y'all aren't gonna get on any video and somebody just give you the magic answer to all your life problems, because at the end of the day, you have to search for it within you, and nobody can give it to you but you. Okay? So, in other words, try to understand your man or your woman or your crush or your situationship or whatever the fuck you got going on. Try to understand that person from the eyes of source, like I told you, the eyes of unconditional love and all that good stuff. Then try to be understanding that this person is nothing like you. A man is nothing like a woman, and a woman is nothing like a man. And that's okay, because we offer and both bring something to the table that's needed. It's just like the plate is life, the fork is the man, and the spoon is the woman. Whoa. Okay, y'all, so that was my video. I hope that you like it. I hope to help you understand the other sex and all that. So yeah, I hope to see you back here soon. I love y'all.